My name is Mike Foster, the Entrepreneur's Mentor, and welcome to my latest video snippet. My snippets are my thoughts to help you in the development of your own business, and this latest snippet is entitled Engage and Make Impact. I've had a busy couple of weeks organising and supporting other events for some fantastic local charities. In fact, I can't wait for our next big business breakfast for charity here in Oxfordshire on Friday the 2nd of September. But it got me thinking about why I support so many good causes and give up my time. Well, it's because the charity and especially their fundraisers have engaged my interest and pulled me towards their activities. After that initial interaction with them, like you, I'd often read up and listen to their further communications to learn about the impact that they make and be blown away by how they're making a difference. So what are you doing to engage your connections and your audience? How are you making an impact for them or others that pulls them towards you with interest? How are you communicating your difference so that people lean towards you? I often see so much bland promotion or an approach of, I'm here if you want me, but as with fundraising, business is competitive and you have to stand out from the crowd. So what is unique about you? What's your differentiator, your value? Are you the go-to for your type of business due to your engagement and your impact? As always, I hope this snippet's been thought-provoking and helps you in your own thoughts in some way. If I can help you further, then please do not hesitate to contact me. Otherwise, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and next time I release one of these videos, you'll be one of the first to know.